Alright, so today we're going on a little adventure south a few hours to go pick up a motor because we need to rebuild a motor for class. And we're going to be picking up a G35 VHR. And we're all just going to be taking a road trip down there. Stumbled upon this TC. This is a fucking car jitsu car.
That's the only
where they fucking fight inside the car and they're like, oh my god.
That's crazy. There's no fucking way.
We just stumbled upon this. While we're waiting for the dude to show up.
Don't break the rail. Hopefully not. I don't think that's
not going nowhere.
Why don't you say it?
You ain't going nowhere.
She has to take off.
Well, you're not gonna make it too tight.
No, I'm barely outside these now. No, that's not the way I want to go. 35 on your tits.
That was flashing the red and black.
Yeah, it probably just took a picture of the license plate.
This shit is insane.
Just jumped ahead.
It's open, I checked. They closed at 9.
I currently can't turn into their parking lot.
Oh, what the shit?
Yeah, they're kind of closed.
What does that say?
No.
January season for maintenance.
No.
Alright, find us somewhere else to go.
Bondo it up.
Should I do a burnout?
No, don't fucking blow up your goddamn transmission.
Oh, this thing does burnouts like nobody's business. What are you doing? Drive!
Oh, it's a V8 too.
Oh, they're gonna pull him over.
I bet it's.
Go that way.
Once we get to 13, it's pretty easy.
Fuck is
This
going
guy is
on?
fucking stupid behind us.
Do you hear this shit? Well, he's not doing it now.
We'll hear him rev it.
Let me look out the window at him and see if he does anything.
I don't. He'll be able to see the GoPro. I don't want him to see the GoPro.
Why? Well, you think he's gonna do some stupid shit?
He's gonna do something fucking stupid.
He's gonna pass me.
No, he's not gonna pass. He should show behind you because I keep looking out the fucking window at him. Oh, he downshifted.
Do a pull. What the fuck?
Right into some brake lights.
Oh, I thought he was gonna hit him.
Holy fuck, dude! I thought he was gonna kill somebody.
I thought he was gonna hit him.
What an idiot. What a moron.
Fucking dumbass. Should I flash my brights at him?
Yeah, that's why. I showed him the GoPro and he fucking did that.
Yeah, that's what we were afraid was gonna happen.
Hold on.
Remember, kids, don't do that shit.
That's
What
not
the
cool.
fuck?
I called it. I said
called
he was
it.
gonna two-step
You fucking called
I
it.
said he was gonna two-step it. This guy's retarded.
Oh my god. Look at the dog. please just throw a rod on his block right now.
You showed him the GoPro.
I just want to hear the detonation.
Somebody.
He almost killed the,
Dude, that
he almost
dog's even
killed the
giving him
fucking
judgmental
dog.
looks.
This guy's so stupid.
That dog's even like, dude, what
This
the
is why
fuck?
civic people are terrible.
I can smell it.
Oh.
I can smell
Yeah, it
fucking
smells catless. It smells so catless.
And this is like a newer Civic too.
Yeah, that's the fucking 1.4 liter or whatever.
I thought this was like an EG pulling up behind us with how it sounded.
Yeah. No, I thought it was the Civic going the other way because I saw Civic taillights go the other way.
Literally, I looked back
gonna
there.
launch
I was
it.
looking at I was looking at the
Jimmy
motor.
chip in. Oh, maybe he's not gonna launch it.
I would
HDMI
keep
port
recording.
Looking straight the fuck at me,
That would be good.
Please do. He will fucking two-step it again, I guarantee it.
No, we will.
Take it to the line. You're under.
I wish me and him were lined up at the front. I would race this motherfucker.
The two-wheel drive Tacoma
with a motor in the back.
We'd probably fucking whip his ass
It'd
too.
probably be the only reason I wouldn't do it.
With 4 dudes and a fucking motor in the bed. Drag racing.
The motor that's in the bed in this state could probably
Ratchet
beat him.
strap, yeah.
Dude, that thing sounds like a tractor. Oh my god, it's so slow. Oh my god, it's so slow. Oh, please get on the interstate with us.
Come on, get over.
You literally said
I wanna see what
the
it-
second he sees the fucking GoPro, he's gonna do some stupid shit and like crash. And then
Yeah.
the second he saw the GoPro, he did some stupid shit and almost crashed.
Yeah, and then I fucking said he was gonna two-step, and he two-steps it at the next light.
They got out-revved by a taco.
The dog was.
He got
the
pulled
dog-
on by a
He was
taco.
getting stared down at by a dog. Like
Yeah, he almost killed the fucking dog. The dog was like,
Like the
bitch,
dog-
get away from me.
the dog went back in the back seat, went to the other dog, and was like, "Hey, you gotta go look at this." Because another dog poked its head out and started just looking down at the Pacific, like it's a shepherd or whatever.
So I realized I didn't film an end to the video, so we got the motor back in the dorm now. It's a VQ37 VHR, and it's pretty bare. I have the block with the full rotating assembly with the girdle, all that, but none of the accessories. Don't have the oil pan. I need the valve covers still. I just threw those straight in the trash. There's nothing mechanically wrong with it. The motor was pulled in the first place because the VVEL went out of sync and the engine just put it into limp mode and the guy just pulled it for some reason. But I plan to build this over the next few months with some pretty cool parts.